Part of the maintenance on the 30G is to check the stator tube pressure. This needs to be checked periodically for peak pumping performance. To check the stator tube pressure, you have to place the machine in forward, and the properly amount of water needs to be in the hopper. The stator and rotor should never be ran dry. There should always be material or water moving through the stator tube. So once we have the proper water to the end of the stator tube, we will now place the unit in neutral and insert the pressure gauge. The stator tube pressure needs to be checked with the machine at full speed. At full speed, you should have at least 250 psi of water pressure for the stator tube to be considered a new stator tube. This will pump as low as 100 psi. However, vertical height and hose distance will be affected with that low of pressure. If your stator tube pressure is below 100 psi, the rotor or stator, or both, could be bad, causing the low pressure and will need to be replaced.